Hey everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of Sashiko, the traditional Japanese embroidery technique that's both meditative and mesmerizing. When creating garments, you can use two layers of fabric. Multiple layers make your garment warmer as heat gets insulated in the pockets of air that you make while working the designs. A grid is the fundamental basis of any repeating Sashiko pattern. I've got my trusty pearl cotton threads ready to roll, so grab yours and let's stitch our way through these beautiful patterns. Sashiko is a form of Japanese folk embroidery using a variation of a running stitch to create a patterned background. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about the journey and the joy of creating with your own hands. So take your time, breathe, and trust the process. This ancient Japanese craft is easy to learn. It gives quick results and makes stunning textile pieces. Check out the link to my full beginner's tutorial in the cards above and on the end screen. Stay tuned for more exciting sewing and crafting ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for endless creative inspiration.